How do you show the arrow on the iPad? Let's explain that. So if you are new on this channel, most definitely subscribe to it because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. So on your iPad, when you're using a device like the Magic Trackpad or mouse, you can see the cursor floating around, right? Obviously, you need to have some kind of device connected for the pointer to show up. But the issue is that it's usually in the circle shape and not in the arrow. So in order to turn it into an arrow shape, you need to update your iPad to the latest iPad OS 26 if you haven't already, because it only works in that latest version. And even if you have the latest version running, what you need to ensure is that you also don't have the AssistiveTouch feature enabled. You can find it in the settings and accessibility, where you can specifically find it under the touch section. You need to make sure it's turned off because you can see right now it is a circular pointer. You turn off the assistive touch and it just switches it back to the arrow, which makes it look much more professional and most definitely closer to the computer style of the pointer. Keep in mind that you can still customize it inside of your accessibility settings when you scroll down a bit more, where you can see pointer control, and there you can change the contrast or even outline color and size and other things as well. But this is how it works. Let me know if you managed to successfully make your pointer the arrow on your iPad. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the next tutorials as well.